All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're near Roppongi. We are in the Kamayacho area, and we're just outside of a 7-Eleven. Got some 7-Eleven treats. That right there is a chicken skewer. She's gonna try it. We also got some buns. Okay, nothing to say. Give this. That's pretty good.
We need these kind of 7-Elevens back home.
Then why don't you, when you eat this, you know, when we're doing a video, just say something about it.
First.
Okay.
Now, do we know what kind these are?
Yeah. One's pizza, one's pork.
I believe this is pizza.
It is. It's orange.
It's orange.
Go for it. And then we'll look at the inside. Well, we need it opened up a little more than that, I think.
It's actually pretty good.
It is good. I recall these, yeah.
That one's good.
Yep. So then this one is just a pork bun. Like I said, from 7-Eleven, just behind me here. Or just behind her, in front of me. Like I said, I'm gonna do a tour of one of these fast food, or one of these convenience stores soon here.
I think I got only dough.
Okay.
This one's really good.
Yep. All right, flip around. Okay, I will try the pizza one first. Yeah, it definitely smells like pizza sauce, like marinara sauce, really. Huh. Tastes like marinara sauce and cheese.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Then, the pork one.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Very good. Convenience stores here are so much better. I mean, I remember that every time I've been here, I recall that, and it's just hard to imagine how much better until you're here. This convenience store food is so good.
Of course, then you have to know, think about how if you actually lived here and you knew, you might not think it is that good.
Maybe, but
who knows?
Regardless, well worth it. So we did a chicken skewer here.
Yep.
A pizza bun there, and then a pork bun here.
Yep.
All right, that's from 7-Eleven here in Tokyo, Japan. We're near the Roppongi area. Mori Tower just behind us. So the Taste Store will be back. We thank you for joining us. Please join us again on this or many other episodes that we have to come. So stick around.